Hello, everyone. I'm very excited today to introduce QikFlips. It's an Amazon to Amazon flipping tool. It works with initially two categories, shoes, clothing, jewelry, and sports and outdoors. As you know, I've been introducing the working with people on gated lists. This is sourcing from other websites and sell on Amazon. QikFlips is just different because you buy from Amazon when it has a sale, and then you turn around sell on Amazon. Not everyone is comfortable doing such a flip, and not everyone's comfortable with competing with Amazon. But if you are one of those people, I have a great tool for you today, and we're going to do an initial launch, and then we're going to give people the initial 25 or so people have an early launch special pricing. And I'm going to tell you what this tool can add to your bottom line. And because this is so powerful, as you know, if you are already doing Amazon to Amazon flip, likely you will be using Keepa deals to find those items, because Keepa has been keeping track of the pricing and all other data related to an item in a way that really help the sellers. For example, you come over here on the left side, you will set all the selection criteria. Once that is done, then you will select which category that you want Keepa to give you the result. Once that is done, then Keepa, you can see all the results that meet your own criteria. The problem with this approach is that it's very time consuming, as you will need to go into each individual, and then you need to click multiple places in order to find out whether it's somehow meet your own profit criteria. To save you time, and I have the same problem, that's why I developed this tool. I developed the QikFlips. Once you sign in, I want sign into this through here, and you will be presented with this screen. So this is the behind the scene dashboard. It's inside of this tool. So I'm going to do a quick refresh right now, and you can see that the item here changed already. And now it's just 1 second ago, you put in new data. Let me tell you about this. This is a 24/7 fully automated tool. What that means is it shows you exactly how many profitable items that we're able to pull in. Now, don't think that we're going to give you everything from the Keepa, because Keepa, it basically, due to its item product monitoring and tracking algorithm, then they just simply pull in everything that with price drop. But we don't want that. We just want to go ahead and pre-qualify or pre-screening all the Keepa data, and only select those that have a good profit potential, and then we'll present it to you. Okay, so for example, we'll be as we analyze all the deal from Keepa or all the product that Keepa has been tracking the price with. Now we want to make sure we have all the items that come to you will pass our sales rank level right now for both categories, shoes, clothing, and sports and outdoor. The cap in BSR is 300K or less. And then we're only interested in items that have a review, and we'll throw out anything that does not have a review. And then the rating should be at least 3.5 star. Okay. Once we do the filtering, then we'll present the items to you, and then you can see we'll have many items to work with daily. This is how powerful it is. 24/7, every day you have this many to work with. Now, how do you sort through all 3,000 of them? Now, that's where the custom filtering comes in. So let me backtrack a little bit to give you a little bit overview of how the tool QikFlips work. So we work with a Keepa. We pull in the data, and then we do the initial filtering. So we give you the best set of data to work with, best set of the product and deals that Amazon put on sale, so that you can, and then the next step will be apply your own custom filters onto those items. So basically, that will enable you to narrow down to limited number of items and for you to do further analysis. And at the end, you make the purchase. But so when you see all this right here, they already been filtered. Now, what you need to do is to utilize the powerful custom filter to narrow down the list. So I have a preset filter and a manual filter. So preset filter, basically, you can come down here to user setting. You can see I have 3 preset filter: shoes only, clothing only, sports only. Each one has a specific set of the criteria in terms of the sales rank, rating, review, and how stable the price trend is according to keep a price tracking history. Whether it has the lowest, whether the buy box is the lowest in the keep a pricing tracking history, and then to see if multiple sizes or color of the same item are on sale at the same time. But because Amazon frequently do that, that allow you to give you a good indication, maybe Amazon has a sale today on specific brand, or even within a specific brand and specific model. That happen all the time. So this will give you a heads up and good indication. And then the next thing is very powerful. You'll be able to send yourself an email notification or desktop notification right here. Because once you set this criteria, preset filter, it will be used as the basis for notification, deal alert notification. Say you're looking for a shoes with a specific sales rank, rating, review, and then the price. Then when the shoe came in and meet those criteria, you'll be able to you will be notified either through email or desktop notification. So that way you can stay ahead of your competition. You know ahead of others that there's something, the price drop just happened, so that you can make a buying decision very quickly. Okay, and then you'll be able to set the price range, the profit range that you're comfortable with. For example, you want to have a minimum of $10 after all the fee, then you can do so right here. And that will be working with the average price that Keepa has been keeping track of. Keepa has 3, 48 hours average price, 30-day average price, and 90-day average price. So you can select which one you want to use to calculate the profit range. Now, when this preset filter is done, then let's go back to the product deal. So you can use the preset filter right here like this. You select shoe only, and it also display what are the configuration under that preset filter. And when you hit a search, then it will go through all 3,000 items and drop down to 23 items that meet your criteria. You see how quickly and how powerful to see all the potentially profitable items right here. Of course, you need to next will go down to different go through different data matrix for that specific item. And finally, it will lead you down the road to make the buying decision. Okay, so you do so for this is a very quick way to drill down, to narrow down the list of a potential buy item. But you say, hey, I want to instead of using the preset filter, I want to look for specific item with a specific features. Then you can do a quick reset and enable the manual filtering. Okay, manual filtering, you have multiple that you can go through. And first of all, you can do exclude. For example, I want to exclude the Up brand for shoes, and then I'm only interested in apparel, which is clothing. And then I want to see set the 10% cap for the percentage difference between the 30-day and 90-day average prices. Okay. And this one, you can choose either this one or this one, not both at the same time. So magic price drop, what that means, you can mouse over to look at the definition, but let me tell you quickly. Magic price drop, when this is selected, that means you tell the tool, you will be only interested in items whose buy box price is at least 50% below the average, or all three average prices. So let's do, and then we set it there, and then over here lowest, that means you tell you're interested in item whose buy box price is the lowest according to keep a pricing history. And then you have a multiple child ASIN, which means that you want to see if an item has multiple sizes and color of the same item have the same sale. And then you want to set the profit range to be at least, say, $10 on the 30-day average price. And then you do a search, okay? And then boom, you only got one item that meet all these criteria. All right, now, what we're going to do, even though, so once you set this thing, but you can still further filter, do more filtering, more micro filtering by coming down here. You can select using the operator to select, I want to only be interested in anything less than 100 or 1000 or whatever you want. And so they will further narrow down the list. Right now, you only have one because it has 42 different colors and sizes, you can see. Now, when you click that, you can see all the, it has 5 pages of the same item, different color and different sizes are on sale. And you can see the price relatively stable, right? Of course, like average like $23, and now it's selling at $11, okay? So that's basically how the filter will work. And now let's take a look at the data presented by all the columns. I'm just going to walk through really quickly. I'm going to produce a tutorial for each column, and then you have a further understanding, but I just want to give you a quick overview. Okay, for every piece of data that go through the pre-qualification and come down to you for you to examine, then you'll be able to see, I like this item, I want to add it to my favorite folder, which is right here, okay? And then you can simply click that, and then it will remove from the favorite list. And then you can see, I already explained what this means. You have one item, okay? You have a 2 item, basically I have the same sale. Then you can go further to look for it. And then you have the description, and then you can see clearly what the item is, color, and right here it tells you how long ago we captured this sales. And then with the full, you mouse over, you see the bigger picture. If you really want to see the full keep data, you click it, and then we'll come over here, and then it will show you the detail. And everything else, we have the keeper, how many days keeper has been keeping track of it. And then you have the sales rank, and then you have a rating, review. And you can see all this thing right here as a little plus sign. What that means is, and some of them have 4.7 and 9. What happened is sometimes Kiba, they do not give us the rating and review data, not all of them. So what we just put the plus sign right here. Once you click it, you can directly go to the product page and see the rating, review, and fit status yourself. And at the same time, in the background, right now we just got it 6 seconds ago. Actually, after it came through, we will be working in the background, try to pull the rating, review, and fit data for you. Once those data are available, we'll be updating the columns right here. And then we'll have the buy box price and the lowest price. You can see these two are the same. That means the current buy box price is at the lowest level, according to Kiba, which is good. And then we have see the average 90-day price, average 48 hours, average 30-day, and average 90-day. And we can see how many percentage drop and what's the profit based on this. And see, you can see the referral fee, FBA fee, which is the Amazon fee. And then you'll be able to enter your estimate shipping charges and any other discount or charges that you want to put in there for the calculation. To change the shipping charges, estimate shipping charges, you come over here to FBA calculator, you will be able to set it there. Once that's set, then all the profit calculation will be automatic. And then you can come over here to see limited stock. Basically it tells you, say sometimes Amazon, because it's on sale, it has a limited stock, say 3 or 4 left. Then this column will show you, actually there's the 3 or 4 left. If you go ahead and buy all 3 or 4 of them, then you'll be the only one selling. I mean, you just buy out of Amazon remaining stock, and then the price will have a chance to go back up rather quickly, sooner. And then you'll be able to see the day range. Then this is similar to what Keepa application, the deal pages work, day, week, month, and each one has an average price. And so this one you can select which day. You only show item that keep a thing on the average day price. It has enough drop, 40% drop. Oh, by the way, one of the filtering we'll put together is all the item you see depends on it's a day, it's a month, or a week, and it's at least a 40% price drop from the average price, from average day 48 hours, which is the day price, from average 30-day price, from average 7-day price and 30-day price. Okay, at least 40% drop before they can make it to this list. And then you'll be able to put in the note for specific item, just remind you why you make such a buying decision, or any additional observation you have for this particular item, and that will be saved with that particular item. It will turn green. And if you think there's a lot of data here that will not fit in one screen, it might be overwhelming, but no worry. You'll be able to set you'll be able to set how many item you want to show on each page. Right now it's 20, let's say maximum is 50. And then right here, you'll be able to remove or reorder the different columns. And if you don't like a certain, for example, you don't want the product descriptions to show up in the column, you just move over here, so it will not show up. If you want to rearrange any of them, then you can do so. Just drag and move up and down, so that it will be it will do that for you. And then until you can get to the point that your screen is showing everything that you want to see, not everything that that I preset it for you. So let me put the description right here, right below. This is the way I look at it. Okay, so right now, once you do that, then you apply. Okay, so the right now I changed to display 50 item at a time. You can see if I scroll down, you can see the 50 item maximum. Okay, then that's a convenience. And then you'll be able to export the data in different format, in CSV, PDF, and Excel. Now, this is all the main features of this whole tool. The main point is to give you multiple custom filtering capability, and giving you the email and desktop notification, allow you to be able to screen through many of the profitable items to find those that fit your own criteria. So this is a very time saving, and it's 24/7 working non-stop for you. Anytime you come in, there will be something for you to buy to make profit. If you're able to make one purchase, one pair of shoes a day, 30 days, then you'll be make more profit than the very reasonable monthly subscription fee. And you can even, while you sleep, you have a VA to use the same tool to source that for you. It's fully automated 24/7. And then we're constantly upgrading all the features, and we'll be adding new features. We'll already work on the second version of it. And I'm very excited about the new feature we're putting together. And then by the Q4 this year, we'll be adding more categories into this tool. So for example, a lot of toys flips will be available when we get close to Q4, and that will be very exciting using this tool. Again, this tool is developed for people who are comfortable with Amazon to Amazon flips. I'm not trying to convince you this is the best way to do it. If you don't feel comfortable, it's okay. Might not be the tool for you, but if you are doing that all along, spending hours and hours to go through all the Keepa deal, then this tool will save you time, make you more money faster. So we all have a limited time. So may this tool be your best friend in the coming days. I'm offering for every subscription, a 14-day free trial. So you go through within 2 weeks to learn everything, and then you can to see how it make profit for you, and then you'll be able to let me know any comment, any suggestion, anything that's not working the way it should be. I'll be there to help you. I will implement changes, fixes very quickly. And you know where to find me because we've been working together probably in the past 2 years through a gated list, the regular shoe list. So we'll be, combining these two because they're not overlapping. And then if you can, and then in the coming days, I will be offering additional tools for our fellow clients because this is an exciting time of the season in history. Amazon enable us to make a lot of money. So let's use this tool to capitalize on all the sales that the world's largest online retailer has to offer. So we don't miss out anything. And we're going to offer a limited special launching pricing with a limited slots. Once that's filled up, then the price will go up from currently it's $97, but it will go up to all the way to $137 a month. So if this is something you've been waiting for, jump on it. If you have any question, let me know. I will be more than glad to help you. And ultimately, if you're able to make big profit from this too, that's what I want to see. And if it doesn't work out for you, it's okay to cancel it. No problem. It's a month-to-month subscription, no long-term commitment. And that's basically, it's an overview of the how QikFlip works and how it might benefit you in your growth in Amazon business. And I look forward to working with you from the inside. Bye-bye for now.